What you guys doing? You being scared? Huh? You're so cute. Little babies. So these are 7 of the chicks that I hatched. I ended up hatching 14. And my daughter took the other half. And then I have 32 more in the incubator. So excited. It's so fun. And then hubby is on the countdown for his meat bird eggs. He's got 2 days left till they start hatching, so I'll let you guys know how many he gets. He had 26 eggs, and out of my first batch I had 24 eggs, so 14 out of the 24 that I had isn't too bad because I cracked one like day 2 and unfortunately was deceased when I was trying to help it out, and 2 of them didn't have anything in it, so these guys are too cute. I just want to show you off. Little barnyard mixes.